Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to give you guys a recommendation on a great AI software. It is called Firefly, and it is a image and a video AI generator. And basically, what it does is everything when it comes to creating text, generating images from text, editing different photos, editing videos, creating original art, and I'm just going to show you guys the features that it has. It has text to image, generate fill, text effects. So if you have like a logo or a text for your logo, and you can just upload it to Firefly, and then it'll add very, very creative different art pieces for that text. And so if we go down further, there's generative recolor, 3D to image. So if you guys work with Blender and you have a 3D image that you want to upload, it'll create stuff kind of like this. Extended image, where basically you add an image and then it can extend and make that image bigger and add AI generated images to that original photo. And so we go down even further: generative fill in Photoshop, generative recolor in Illustrator. And it's really cool because Adobe has all these different softwares like Adobe Premiere, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, and you can use this tool to integrate into your workflow. And here I'm going to give you guys an example from text to image. I typed in old time strength, white American athlete from the 1800s in black and white in the style of pencil sketches. And it came up with these images. And so we can edit these as much as we want. And yeah, I mean, this is a new software for us, so we're gonna start using it more and more, and we'll make videos on it and give you guys updates. So thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.